By 2050, the world will be shaped by advanced technology, AI, and sustainability, transforming the way we live, work, and interact. Cities will be filled with self-driving and flying cars, eliminating traffic congestion as AI-powered vehicles, and taxis take over the roads and skies. Homes will be fully automated, adjusting lighting, temperature, and security through AI assistance, making everyday life more convenient. With a strong focus on sustainability, urban areas will feature vertical farms, green buildings, and renewable energy sources, significantly reducing pollution and making eco-friendly living the norm. AI and robotics will play a major role in daily life, handling most jobs from cooking to healthcare, allowing humans to focus on creativity and leisure. Nanotechnology and AI-driven medical advancements will revolutionize healthcare, detecting and curing diseases before symptoms even appear, leading to longer, healthier lives. Beyond Earth, humanity will expand its reach into space exploration, potentially colonizing Mars and venturing deeper into the universe. Meanwhile, on Earth, holograms and virtual reality will replace traditional screens, creating fully immersive experiences for meetings, shopping, and entertainment. As AI reshapes the workforce, new careers in artificial intelligence, space technology, and biotechnology will emerge, transforming industries and creating opportunities we can only imagine today. The future is closer than we think. Are we ready for it?